When talking about camera settings, what is the difference between sharpness and clarity? Well, according to Sony and their own manual, clarity is adjusts the degree of clarity. A large value makes the effect greater. So that doesn't really tell us much now, does it? So to see visually the difference, I'm going to first do this clip, which has sharpness 0 and clarity 0. Then the second clip with sharpness at maximum and clarity at 0. Then the third clip will be sharpness at 0 and clarity at maximum. This is sharpness at 0 and clarity maximum. As you can see, there's way too much sharpening, but I'm using it just to prove a point so you can visually see the difference between sharpness and clarity. Again, for reference, this is sharpness 0 and clarity 0. This is now sharpness 0 and clarity at maximum, which is +9. And I would never use it at this strong of an effect, but I have it at max just so I can illustrate what the effect is actually doing.